Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about the shift key when you're selecting the background. Somebody posted on a Facebook page that it doesn't work in 2019 Corel Draw, but it does. So if you hold down your shift key and you'll click on that white and that white and that white, you've got the three objects selected and you can hit delete and your background is gone. So anytime you hold down the shift key, it will continue selecting an item. So let's just do this. Let's make a bunch of them just to make the video worth your time. In the shift key, and you've got these horses, and you've got a bunch of them. And if you hold down the shift key, I'll select that one, and that one, and then I'll delete them. So it selected anything I touched with the shift key. Now, with that said, if I only wanted the center one, I could select them all and then hit the shift key and unselect that one and hit delete. So the shift key works both ways. It can select an item or it can deselect an item. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.